Now, today's lesson is learn how not to give up your advantage. Now, white's bishops, light square bishop, and dark square bishop are dominating white's king side. Now, instead of playing what black should have played, black played bishop takes, which is a wasted move, because even after he plays rook to d4, there is no mate in that. So if he takes on c2, the king just moves to a1, and the attack is ended. And now you've given up the dark squares where you had the dark square bishop dominating. Now, what would have been better? The move that would have been better in this position, instead of taking the knight, it would be better to play rook to a8. Now, what this does, it forces white's bishop to move or have to be defended. Now, if they choose to move, wherever it is they move, then you take rook on a2. And if the king refuses to exchange and refuses to take it and moves, then you play rook on h to h8, and game will be over. So, the king would have to take here on a2. Then you bring the other rook to a8. And then once that's played, back to c2, then you have a maiden net with queen to a5. Now the king has to run. And when the king starts to run on c1, then you play h5 to free up your dark square bishop to come here and force this f pawn to be defended. You got to learn how not to give up your advantage, because once this king comes to c1, it's game over. And even if the bishop would have taken and played check, once the king goes to d7 here, the king is safe, even though it's in the center of the board. Always check. If there's not a mate in net, don't waste a move when you have the advantage in the position, because that one move can cost you the game. This is the day's lesson from the brain. Take a look first and don't give up your advantage. One move can cost you.